Frank from Lubeck Enterprises here again today with another issue, of course. So I would like to print this page. So I click the print button and it goes to send it to the printer. And for some reason it says it's not responding, but here, as you can see, I'm low on ink. Color and black are both quite low, so I'm going to actually go change those. So it should be similar on many types of printers, not just a Canon 3600. So a lot of Canons it'll work the same. And a lot of home printers in general, it's the same method, same concept. So let's go change some ink. So in a lot of electronic devices, you should turn it off before working on it. This is the opposite. It has to be on. And then there's a little scanning tray here, this little lip underneath it. I'm just going to pull this towards me. You don't have to, use a lot of force, but be firm with it. And you can see the ink cartridges there. And see, it even pops that door open automatically to access them. So, okay. So basically, to replace these, you just want to push down, and it'll, pop it out a little bit. Just kind of grab it and wiggle it like that to remove it. So then you go ahead and just remove the black too. And there you go. So as for what you can put in there, I got this here as a replacement. It's Color World, Color World. I mean, they get 2 out of 10 for creativity for their name and slogan, but they get 10 out of 10 for value. So these here are, a little bit cheaper than if you were to get the name brand ones. Not by much, it's not too significant, but good enough. These are basically refurbished ink cartridges, So with the ink cartridges for my printer here, it's going to be the 240 and 241, and I got the XLs, so it's a little bit more. As you can see, it comes with this weird cap on there. So you just want to push on that tab, take it off, and expose that. So don't remove that chip, but we do want to pull this here off and expose that. So this is, of course, the black, which went to the right-hand side. So then you just take it like that, with that there going to be facing inward. Push it like that, and then just pop this tab back up. Do the same for the color. So you go ahead, pop the tab off. And this one here, it's actually on the side. Expose the contacts and put it in, pop it up. And then just fold this up and close it. And see here the ink cartridge is moving back into place. Now it's silent. So we should be done. So just to verify that it worked, I'm back at the computer. I'm going to go ahead and click print. So now when it pops up, it shouldn't tell me that they're low. It should look almost full. So it's just telling me that it's been replaced. The ink cartridge has been installed or replaced. Yes, that's the whole point of it. So as you can see down here, color and black are now full. So if you found this video remotely helpful, please just give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe or leave a comment if you feel like. But thank you for watching, and stay tuned.